About 3 ounces. Don't throw them in the water because there's other fish over here that we want to catch. Or just toss them like this. There we go. Hurry up.